Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk a little bit today about one of the downsides of owning a vehicle wrap. I've had this wrap on my vehicle now for about 5 years, and when it's time to remove it and replace it, sometimes it can be a pain in the butt. Typically, the way you remove a vehicle wrap is you apply heat and it comes off in big chunks. And when we did all the sides and most of the back, it came off very easy. Apply a little heat with a heat gun like a hair dryer, and it'll pull right off like a stick.
Before we go forward, do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and you can keep up with all the new content we put out on a weekly basis.
Now when you get to the top of the vehicle, like the hood and the very top, that's been sun beaten, and an older wrap that's been sun beaten gets real brittle and gets hard to pull off in one big chunk. So you have to apply some different techniques, and I've tried a bunch, just hard labor, and it barely takes it off. But I've now found a little trick. You want to get yourself an eraser wheel, and these are about 30 bucks. Now if you go on Amazon to the link below that I'm sending you, I got a pack of 6 for $40. That's the way to go, because you're going to burn through some of these. But you put the little eraser wheel on a drill, power drill, and then you just apply that eraser wheel to the top of the wrap, and it'll strip it right off. It takes a little bit of time, but it'll come off a lot faster than anything else that we've been doing. Now once you get it pretty much taken off, then you come on into the area, and you see there's a little bit of residue left. There's glue. You take the Goof Off or some kind of adhesive remover, spray it on there, let it sit a second, and then it'll come right off. And you'll see the difference between this spot and this area right here. This area has already been done, and most of it's already been cleaned. So those are the 3 things you're going to need. You're going to need an eraser wheel. Get a little one of these plastic blades, razor blades that you can get at any auto parts store or hardware store. It's plastic so it doesn't scratch your paint, and then get yourself some Goof Off or some sort of adhesive remover. Those are the 3 things you're going to need to remove that brittle old wrap from the top of your vehicle.